speckled banana chip cake today. The reason I think you guys are gonna love this is because it's friendly for gluten-free and those glutinous, lucky eating people.
So I guess I'm one of these gluttonous you're referring to?
Interchange. A lot of times when I make this, people who know that I'm gluten-free, I'll go in for a slice and they're like, wait, you can eat this? Because it's that good that you gluten eating people will not even be able to tell a difference. So I love it because I don't have to make two desserts. I don't have to make a gluten-free and a regular dessert. This works for everyone. So my secret ingredient on these speckled banana chip cakes is using this as kind of the flour, if you will. It's not a gluten-free flour, it's a pancake and baking mix. But it makes it so good. I don't know what it is, but I love this Pamela product for these bars. I'm calling it bars, but it's actually a cake. KitchenAid, but for this, it's just kind of easy. Throw a bunch of ingredients in a bowl, mix it up, and you're good to go. Hold on. With 2 ripe bananas. Did you know that this is how the monkeys open bananas?
Oh, what, from the other end?
Yes, because they don't have knives. They open it with their paws.
I'm the other opposite end guy.
No, I feel like it mushes it. So we're gonna do half a cup of applesauce, 3 tablespoons of melted coconut oil, about a half a cup of honey, and on your sweetener, it kind of depends on how ripe your bananas are. If your bananas are super ripe, you don't need to add as much sweetener because that natural sweetness from the ripe banana really shines through. So my bananas were, you know, they were ripe, but not like getting brown and speckled and stuff. So I'm gonna add the full half of a cup of honey today. If we have those things added, we're gonna give it a quick beat. Quick beat. Blend, beat. Okay, so once it's fairly smooth, next I am adding 1 egg. And then we've got a teaspoon of vanilla. And we are gonna beat that again. So next we're gonna take our Pamela's baking and pancake mix. And we are gonna add 1.5 cups. Okay, so next I have a teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of cinnamon in here that we're gonna add. And we are gonna do half a teaspoon of salt, good quality salt. Now for the speckled part. I love these Trader Joe's, these like pound chocolate bars. I personally love the dark chocolate. The family loves the milk chocolate. So today we're doing the milk chocolate for him. So I get one of these bars, take my knife and just slowly start to shave off that chocolate bar.
Team milk chocolate all the way. Who's with me? Dark chocolate or milk chocolate?
We compromise sometimes. Sometimes I make them do dark. I am such a batter girl.
Batter's up.
I love it. And I know it has raw egg, but I've done this for 34 years, never gotten sick. It's so good. I love the batter.
I'm getting in really close on this one, just FYI.
Oh boy.
Look.
The cinnamon is so good. Okay, then scoop your chocolate into your batter mix. I'm just gonna take a spatula and kind of mix that around. Okay, then we're gonna do a smaller pan, 8x8 or 9x9 pan. Spray that. All of that in there. Well, it's heavy. This is a heavy bowl. Pro tip, I always leave a little extra in there. Just gotta taste test it, make sure everything is good. So you're gonna throw it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 40 minutes. one.
You want to wrap it up for us?
What should I say?
We gotta show the finished product as
Yeah.
you wrap it up.
Well, so we said bake it. So when we, after, should we?
Okay, Lars. Let me
Okay.
take a seat here. You can sit down. Moment of truth, even though I already know the truth on these, and the fact is that they're amazing.
You wanna try?
Especially with that milk chocolate. like
I know,
said
the
before.
milk chocolate is good.
Glass of cold milk too. Thanks, Stu, for getting that for me.
So bring these to any
Yeah.
gathering where you have gluten-free friends or something.
Or non-gluten-free
Surprise them
friends.
with it.
Yeah.
They will be so happy that they have a dessert that they can eat, that is delicious. No one will even know.
No.
They're amazing.
They are, and for all the non-gluten-free people out there, seriously, like, I would choose this treat any day of the week.
So good.
And you guys saw just how easy that was to make, right? Another.
It's a good one.
10 out of 10. Go for it.